Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solved JEE Main Shift 1 25th of July 2021 question number 14. It's a memory based question and the question is from 2D geometry. So a hyperbola with equation x minus 1 whole square divided 16 minus y plus 2 whole square divided 9 is equal to 1 is given. A triangle is formed with two vertices of the focus of the hyperbola and third vertex lies on the hyperbola. The locus of the centroid of the triangle is 4 options are given. So at first equation hyperbola is given here. So let's suppose x minus 1 is equal to capital X and y plus 2 that is equal to capital Y. So now the equation of the hyperbola becomes x square by 16 minus capital Y square by 9 that is equal to 1. So now E is equal to eccentricity is equal to root over 1 plus 9 by 16. So that is equal to 5 by 4. So now focus is what? Now focus S is equal to 5, 0 and S dash is equal to minus 5, 0. So a point on the hyperbola that is given in mention in the question. So a point on hyperbola that is P is equal to 4 sin theta, 3 tan theta. So this is the point on the hyperbola. So now sec theta. So it is 4 sec theta, 3 tan theta. Now this is the triangle which is formed. So it is S dash that is minus 5, 0. It is S that is 5, 0 and here is the point P that is 4 sec theta, 3 tan theta. So here is the point G that is HK. This is the point of the center that locus we should calculate. So this point is HK. Now HK is equal to what? HK is equal to 4 sec theta divide 3, tan theta. So this is the, now sec theta is equal to 3h by 4 and tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to k. So we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So that implies 9h square divide 16 minus k square is equal to 1. So that implies 9h square minus 16k square that is equal to 16. So as we thought, that is x minus 1 is equal to capital X and y plus 2 is equal to capital Y. So finally locus is equal to 9 into x minus 1 whole square minus 16 into y plus 2 whole square that is equal to 16. So this is our required solution. We reached. So our right option is option 2 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 14. Now moving to question 15. So question 15 is evaluate pi divide to 24 to 5 pi by 24 dx 1 plus root over cube root of 10 dx. 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of differential equation, definite integration, and it's also a memory based question. Question is from JEE Main Shift 1, 25th of July 2021. So at first this is our required integration. So now I is equal to what? Pi by 24 to 5 pi by 24. If we deduct this one, tan 2x as sin 2x cos divide cos 2x, so this one become root over cos 2x cube root of cos 2x divide root over cos 2x cube root plus sin 2x, this is also in cube root dx. So now we know a to b fx dx is equal to what? Integration a to b f of a plus b minus h dx according to law. So now I is equal to, once again it is pi by 24 to 5 pi by 24. Now this one is root over sin 2x cube root, and this is root over sin 2x cube root plus root over a plus b minus x, so it is cos 2x cube root dx. Now adding, this one is I, this one is I. Now add these two, so this one become 2i is equal to what? 2i is equal to pi by 24 to 5 pi by 24, and denominator is same here, so it is sin 2x cube root plus root of cube root cos 2x, and numerator is sin 2x cube root plus cos 2x cube root dx. So this and this is cancelled off, so this one is pi 24 to 5 pi by 24 dx. So it is x between the limit pi 24 to 5 pi by 24. So now it become 4 pi by 24. So this is 2i, therefore I is equal to what? Therefore I is equal to 2 pi by, so 2 is cancelled off, sorry, only pi by 12. So this is our required solution, and our correct option is option 3 is our correct choice, pi by 12. So this is the whole solution of question 15. Now moving to question 16. So now question 16 tells us if a set of the matrix A is equal to M is equal to A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D belongs to 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, and A belongs to capital M, and the number of such matrix A whose determinant value is 15. So set of matrix. So how many matrix here formed? We should calculate that. So this is the question in the house of matrix, and it's also memory based question, and question is from shift 1, 25th of July 2021 JEE Main. So A is equal to, A belongs to capital M, so A is equal to here A, B, C, D, a matrix. So now determinant of A is equal to what? Determinant of A is equal to AD minus BC. So it is mentioned in the question, that is AD minus BC is equal to 15. So case 1 is what? Case 1 is equal to, case 1 arises if AD is equal to 9, then BC is equal to minus of 6. So how many cases it here happened? That is A comma D is either 3 3 or it is minus 3 minus 3, and D is what? D and BC is what? Sorry, BC is equal to here 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma 3, and interchange the signs, that is minus 3 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 2. So now this is case 1. So how many cases happened? It is 4 into 2. So that is case total here 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So now case 2 is what? Now case 2 arises. Case 2 is equal to, if AD is equal to 6 and BC is equal to minus 9. We change the everything. So here it is case happened, that is 4, and here the interchange. Now cases A comma D is 4 numbers, and B comma C is 2 numbers. 2 ways happened. So the total cases is what? Total cases is again 4 into 2. So that is equal to 8. So now number of maxes in total. So in total is equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So 16 numbers of matrices here formed. So we reached, it is our required solution. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.